What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys remember this is the Mavic Air 2 that I use for a lot of the videos that I've shot on my channel. Love this drone. This drone is known as one of the best commercial drones out there, especially for beginners, experts. Has 4K, 60 frames per second, expandable storage, battery life of nearly 30 minutes per battery, and I also had the Fly More combo, so I actually had 2 extra batteries and all that good stuff. So, but what I didn't show you guys is I actually fried this drone. This was $1,500 out the door at Best Buy, not including no insurance, nothing. I actually left this on in the summer heat, just not thinking, and it fried the motherboard inside here, and it ended up frying the fan, and if the fan doesn't work in this, then you can't fly. There is a fix. It's on YouTube. I've seen the video. I've seen this guy. He completely dissects the drone, replaces the parts, replaces the fan, and the drone is then operational. And it might be an easy fix, but I figured why upgrade when I can just, or why fix it when I can just upgrade to the Mavic Air 2S. As I said, this is just the Air 2, but there's an Air 2S model. So that being said, this is the Mavic Air 2S, as you see right there. I added these cool blue lightweight stealth props that you can get on Amazon. I'll link those. So this is essentially the exact same drone as the Air 2, but this is the Air 2S, which has a 1-inch sensor on it. It has more obstacle avoidance sensors. As you can see, there's 4 holes up here, which are the sensors. And I believe it has some more on the sides. But other than that, this thing is exactly the same as the Mavic Air 2, but with more features, and everything is interchangeable. So I also bought 2 extra batteries. So now I have 5 total batteries, along with that charger that I showed you guys in one of my recent shorts video. I synced the controller. It synced up right away. It flies perfect so far. Yeah, so got a drone back. Very excited about it. Very excited to see what this thing can do. This one can actually do 5.4K. So this one is a little bit better. It has, like I said, a 1-inch sensor on the camera. Then it's bigger than the other one. It also does HDR and 10-bit color. There's a lot of different things that I could go on and on and on about these things, but there's tons of videos out there about these. You guys can just look that up for yourself. But this is the Mavic Air 2S. So I look forward to using that this year for this riding season and capturing some really cool footage for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy. See you.